Morning meeting recap with Jim Cramer. Key highlights. Welcome back to the channel. Here's a quick rundown of the key moments from CNBC's Investing Club morning meeting with Jim Cramer. 1. Market movements. 1. S&P 500 and NASDAQ Composite edged higher as Wall Street analyzed President-elect Donald Trump's new tariff plans targeting imports from Canada, Mexico, and China. 2. Dow Jones Industrial Average slipped slightly. 3. With Thanksgiving around the corner, the market is closed Thursday and has a shortened session on Friday, closing at 1 p.m. ET. Jim usually buys stocks Wednesday and sells during Friday's short session, but this year he advises caution. Instead of following seasonal patterns, he recommends waiting until next week to make moves, avoiding potential market swings from a Trump social media post. Stay focused on the good stocks, Jim said. 2. Stock Spotlight, Best Buy and Stanley Black & Decker. 1. Best Buy shares plunged 8% after a lackluster earnings report. 1. A deeper analysis of its performance will be released later. 2. Stanley Black & Decker dropped 3.5% as investors worried about the impact of potential tariffs on its China operations. 2. Despite the dip, the investing club is holding on to the stock for now. 3. Wells Fargo, signs of progress. 1. Wells Fargo rose 0.6% after reports suggested the bank's $1.95 trillion asset cap could be lifted by mid-2025. 2. This asset cap, imposed in 2018 after years of customer misconduct, has been a major hurdle. 2. Although not confirmed yet, this news aligns with Wells Fargo's turnaround strategy. Jim isn't buying at current levels, but remains optimistic. When Wells Fargo dips, that's when you have an interesting investment, he said. 4. Morgan Stanley, disappointing day. 1. Morgan Stanley shares dropped over 2%, following concerns about weak risk controls in its wealth management division, highlighted by a Wall Street Journal report. 2. Adding to the bad news, HSBC downgraded the stock to hold from buy, citing less attractive risk-reward after its recent run-up. Jim's take. I don't think you can buy here. The stock needs to pull back further. That's it for today's recap. Be sure to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which of these updates caught your attention the most. Stay tuned for more market insights and strategies.